Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina, and in today's video I thought I would take you along and show you how I have decorated my house for fall. I know I'm a bit late to the game, but I hope you can enjoy anyway, seeing how we have decorated and maybe get some ideas. It's a very small house. It's in the countryside of Norway. If you are new to my channel, if you are, welcome, and I hope you enjoy.
Baby, don't move now. Baby, don't move. You gotta stand still right now, where I can see you. There's a feeling in my heart so strange. Baby, I don't want you to change. Just stay the same, and everything will be okay. Promise I will always wait for you to go and find your own way.
So this is our small entrance or hallway, and I haven't done much here, just a pillow in fall color there and a wreath on the bathroom door and a small display here with some pumpkins and some greenery or orangery, maybe I should say. Just a lantern, this box and some pumpkins and some pigs and some light. This time of year my cupboard in the hallway also go well with the colors. This is something I have painted. It's a fox and a deer, a moose, and I know what it's called. Yeah, this cat animal or animals that live here. These are my small helpers, my furry grandson and my son, furry son. They are having a discussion. Er de snille? Ja, de må være snille. De må være snill. Ja. Vil han være snill, gutt? Okay, guys, so from the hallway is our, I don't know if this deserves to be called a master bedroom, but because it's so small, but this is our bedroom. And if you have followed me for a while, you know that I do most of my decor here in kind of the same, not the same style, but from the same kind of idea. With a tray with some different decor. Now it's pumpkins, some napkins with the deer on, some metal coffee cups, and these deer head candle holders with candles. And as I usually do, I mix two kinds of bedding, this plaid and the ones with the deer on, a deer skin, and yeah. And that's kind of all I have done to the bedroom. If you haven't been there before, this is the bedroom from the opposite angle. As I said, it's very, very, very small. We have a small room upstairs as well. That is where I usually put all the clutter, so I'm not going to go in there. For those of you who have followed me for a while, you know about my Harry Potter room. and I still have that up, and I'm going to, this is my, used to be my daughter's bedroom, and it's now my grandson's and our kind of guest bedroom. And this is where I put my Halloween decor from last year. I made all this. I love this. This is also my husband's wardrobe, so lucky us. You can actually see the bed and the room, thanks to me, because I have tidied up. Somebody asked me, or several have asked me, if Harry Potter is coming back this year for Halloween. He is, but this year it's a bit of a different spin on it. So I hope you're looking forward to that. And here is our tiny bed, bathroom, and I have not done much here. Just this apothecary jar with some pumpkins and leaves in, and some flowers and a pumpkin in the window. I'm sorry about the mess, but this is all we have. This is our only bathroom, and it's so small, so somewhere I have to do I have to leave my things somewhere. So yeah, and that goes for the whole house. It's a small house, it's not easy to hide all the clutter. And from the hallway this way, you walk into the dining room, and if you have seen my last video, you have seen my tablescape. I love it. I think it turned out beautiful. And what you didn't see and if you want to see how I did it, it's a separate video, so I'll link that to below. Here's my old lady Millis. And here is a flower decoration I put together. I bought this big vase this summer, and I have filled it with a big chain string of lights, and I made this flower decoration in fall colors. I think it turned out beautiful. And in the windows I've done it really simple, just some pumpkins and some leaves in this burgundy vase, and try not to make you dizzy. You can look at the tablescape while I'm walking. And I've done the same in the other window, and on my three-tiered tray I've just put some stones, some leaves and some pumpkins. Really simple. And just some pumpkins on the piano. I'm sorry about the clutter, but this is my singing station. And this is my mantle, and I always do the mantle in the same style as I do the tablescape, so kind of done the same thing, and not pumpkins here, but the garland with the fall leaves and the burgundy flowers and the sunflowers and some lights. And if you have not seen my earlier Christmas video, you may wonder what this is. It's two, we have we call it a heating pump, so it's too hot here to light the fires, so I do this. I've bought a light chain that twinkles or blinks, and I put that together with some wood, so I think it kind of looks like there is a fire going on inside. And I have some pumpkins there, and now pillow and some hanging leaves. I love that. My kitchen, I have not done much. Urian is the strangest boy. Every time he eats, he has to roll on his food. I don't know why. All I've done here is I put some fall flowers. Where's my finger? There's some fall flowers. Again, if you have not been to, or if you haven't seen any of my house tours, this is a kitchen that I drew and my husband made. Again, it's very small and very full of stuff. Some more, and I think if you only get to buy one thing or get one thing, get some faux pick. Yeah, that was my grandson and daughter coming for dinner. So as I said, some and you can pick some leaves outside. Doesn't have to be these plastic or silk picks. This is my tomatoes that got it too cold outside, so I had to take them inside to try to get them to be right. And walking through here, you come into the living room, and here I have just some flowers and pumpkins, and I changed out the pillows and the blankets for more fall, in more fall colors. And here's the palette art that I made, I think it's about a year ago. I just put a fall pick on that. I have a video, separate video on how I did that. In the windows, just some silver pumpkins, and I have those in all 3 windows. Again, my table decor is much of the same as you have seen before, just with another twist. A garland with fall leaves, some silver pumpkin, a mousse, some flowers, and a brown glittery butterfly. And in the corner, the deers that I usually always have here. Sorry, some pumpkins. And my branch, sorry about the dog, with some fall leaves with lights. And sorry, on my secretary I have some book boxes, some pumpkins, and some flowers. And that's all, you guys. Okay guys, that was my fall decor house tour for 2020. Even though it's late, I hope you enjoyed and that I inspired you, or at least gave you some ideas for your home. Going forward, I'm going to start to prepare for my Halloween decor. Last year I did Harry Potter, and if you have followed me since last year, or you saw my last year Halloween videos, you know that I used the decor to make a room for my grandson. And I don't feel like taking all that down. He loves that room. So what I thought I would do this year is to use the second movie of Harry Potter, The Chamber of Secrets, because my grandson have now seen the first and the second movie. Last year he had only seen the first. So I thought that this year Halloween decor will be based on Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. So that's what I'm going to use the next weeks doing, making the different decor, trying a lot of things I haven't done before. So and I crossing my fingers that I have time to do everything I set out to do. I'm setting out to do. So if you are interested in Harry Potter or Halloween, or just want to watch me try new things, look out for my upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you again for my next video. Bye!
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know